Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Nerida and I love sharing everyday hair tutorials with you. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this really cute low ponytail that's perfect for spring and summer. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start off by splitting my hair down the middle. I don't want to do too much of a hard part so that I'm still able to cover it up. I'm going to go ahead and secure one side with an elastic. And now I'm just gonna go right above my ear and split that hair down the middle, making a gap and flipping the ponytail up and through there. And then I'm gonna start fluffing up the edges. You wanna do this as much as you can to really get like that really full look, or you can do it less. It's up to you, whatever look you're going for. And now I'm going to repeat the same steps on the other side. I'm just going to secure the other half of my hair with an elastic. I'm going to go right above my ear and just split that hair down the middle to make a gap and flip the hair up and through and create my second topsy tail. And then I'm going to start fluffing up the edges just by pinching and pulling just the edges of the hair. You don't need to grab like too thick of a section, just the edges pinch and pull, and that will get you the perfect fluff. Now I'm just going to grab my hair in the middle and just kind of pull the sections a little bit to try to cover any part line that might be there. And then I'm going to secure both ponytails together. I'm going to use a scrunchie, but you can use any hair tie that you already have. And that's it for this look. And that is it for today's tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to use hashtag NeridaSpeaksHair whenever recreating any of my hairstyles because I love to see them. Also, if you're not following me already, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'm sharing on there daily. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. Also, leave a comment down below letting me know what else you would like to see. And until next time, you guys, bye!